So hey guys, welcome back to the another video. So in this video, we will be learning about the joins. Similarly, you have worked in the SQL or if you talk about the Excels, so you have done the VLOOKUP. So similarly, we will be doing the joins or VLOOKUP in two files in R. So first, we will load our file. So I'll give a variable here, airport name, and I'll use command read.csv file equal to file dot choose and control enter. Then I'll select this file. So I have 10,000 observation, two variables. Now I'll use the another file. So I'll use airport geolocations and I'll use this file. So now I have two variables here, airport name and geolocations. So let me show you the files. Head. I'm using head command because my data is little heavy right now. So head airport date names. So as you can see, I have two columns, airport ID and airport name. Now I'll use that command for the geolocation table. So I have airport ID with the latitude and longitude. Now what I will do, I'll create a new variable here. Airport underscore data is for the main data. Now I'll use the joins. So I'll use the first data frame, that is my airport name. Now I'll use this percentile value and I'll do the left join. Here I'll use my second data frame, that is airport geolocation. Now I'll join by the airport ID column is here. So I'll copy and paste. Now I'll do control enter. So as you can see, the new variable is here. Now I'll show you the new data frame. So I'll use head command. I'll use airport data. So as you can see, I have the four column now: airport ID, airport name, and latitude and longitude. So basically, it does not repeat the column which is already exist in the first data frame. So similarly, you can join the other joins, right joins and joins. Both will work like the similar way. And we will be moving forward to our new video. If you like the channel, if you like the video, and if you like the channel, if you like my content, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any query, any comment, if you need any data frame for the practice, just let me know. I'll be there to help you. You can reach me by connecting the comment box. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.